Today, me and my son Will are here to set out 2 Venus flytraps. We want to set these traps out near a pond. We feel we have a good place. We've used peat moss because we read that peat moss doesn't have a lot of nutrients, so it doesn't kill the plants. Will, let me take this one out for you.
There's lots of roots in the soil, and I found one.
We also have 2 pitcher plants that we're going to set out as well near the Venus flytraps. Our goal is to get a little garden started for carnivorous plants to see if it'll work out here in the Florida Panhandle. There you go. Let's set this one out right here. Let's cover it up good. We're going to dig you a little hole right here. Will you put yours right here? Good job. Just kind of mash it down tight so it doesn't grow. Me and Will set the Venus flytraps out over here and the 2 pitcher plants over here. The slope that runs down to the pond is about a 1 to 3, so it's not too steep. Will, do you think these plants will do good out here?
Bring down the soil a little bit.
Yes, pack it good. The plants should have plenty of bugs to eat.
Out here in the spring, there's probably lots of bugs like spiders and flies and moths. They're famous for eating flies, really.
Well, we'll just kind of keep an eye on these plants, and we will water them when we need to.
Just make sure the cats don't eat them.
I don't think that the cats will.